Good morning. Today's moving day. Katrina got in a little bit late last night from her last day of Prove It, so letting her sleep in a little bit. But started to get the living room prepped a little bit late last night. Took Luca a little while to get to bed, so once he went to sleep, I was able to start the process a little bit. But I got up early this morning and we're gonna start prepping the truck and prep everything outside. Hopefully it's a smooth trip overall. We'll see you later. Hey, so I'm finally on the road. Took me a while to get everything situated. I had to get everything inside and outside taken care of, so it took a little bit longer to get out of here. On top of, I decided to go ahead and take off the spare tire and put on the other tire that got repaired, so that my spare tire, the tread, is still good in case something happens in the future. Hopefully not. According to the RV app GPS, it says 279 miles, 4 hours and 58 minutes. So it's 11:15. It says I get there at 4:13 this afternoon. Hopefully nothing goes wrong and I get there at that time or no later than 5.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say buenos dias. Uh-huh. So we are stopped, I think it's Columbus, Indiana. I don't think we've crossed over into Illinois yet, but we just left the Fort Knox area. We just left the Fort Knox area. Gianna wanted to stop and use the potty chair. So I stopped, unfortunately, at McDonald's to get her some lunch. The last couple of days have been really busy with a Prove It event that it seems like this is happening a lot lately. We just didn't have time to prepare our healthy foods. I do have some healthy snacks, but nothing that she was willing to eat. So, gonna get back on the road. Luca's still asleep. She went potty. I'm gonna have to hold it until our next stop until he wakes up because I never want to ruin a nap.
Huh?
We're gonna start driving again.
Huh?
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 Oh, good thing he's a heavy sleeper.
Stopping for gas, and this is where I got so far. 141 miles, 12.6 miles per gallon. It's actually pulling 1 mile, almost 2 miles better than when we started this whole trip. So I've arrived in Champaign, Illinois, and the weather here is a lot different than where we've been at in the south. It is 65 here and it's 4 p.m. and I'm cold. This isn't my type of weather, but it feels nice. But I'm in shorts, t-shirt, and flip-flops, and it's cold. They got a very well taken care of park for the kids here. It's not in bad shape whatsoever, and it looks like they actually clean it up and take care of it, unlike some other places we've stopped at before. See how easy that was? Hey, they got kayak rentals. Never mind.
Good morning. We're just out for a little walk before I get these kids in the car for a few hours. But we stopped last night in Champaign. I think this is actually a park in Hensley, Illinois. Stalin is getting us all hooked up and ready to go. Hopefully by this afternoon we'll be in Iowa City, Iowa, and we're gonna spend some time with my family before taking on any other contracts. This little park, it's really cute. It seems to be like a mom and pop campground. There's probably like 20 or 30 sites. It was $38 a night, I think. The bathhouse looks really clean, so we liked that. And wish we had more time here, actually, because it's a really clean and a really nice park.
Chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, you know you should ride. Forget what you've been told, and ride this open road, this open road, this open road. Boom, boom, that knock on your door, it's sounding further away. Don't lose sight, life was times before. This is now today. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life is an open road, you know you should ride.
So we're here at the Hidden River Campgrounds in Tipton, Iowa, and one of the things I said that I was going to take care of at our next stop was we need to wash our vehicles. They're pretty nasty. So the first one up to bat is my wife's Prius, so let's get this taken care of. So we just had a nasty hailstorm out here. It was very, very loud. So right after it's done, I came out to see if anything got damaged, but only thing I was worried about is any glass. So I looked at the cars. Car glass is good, the RV glass is good. Everything looks, never been in a hailstorm before. This is an Iowa thing, I guess. It was pretty cold when I stepped outside, a lot colder than it was during the evening. So this is strange for me, new thing for me, I guess. But everybody's all right. Gianna was a bit scared, but it only lasted about 3 minutes or so, but it was loud. But we're good now, and guess we'll get ready for the night.
Good afternoon, everybody. Me, Luca, and Gianna are going for a walk. Kind of a cloudy day here. We were in Tipton, Iowa. Now we're in the Des Moines area for a few days. We found a mobile mechanic that's going to come out and fix our water heater issues. Not as close as what I was hoping to be to our parents' house, to my parents' house, but this is where I used to work, so I've got a lot of friends here and a lot of family close enough, so hopefully just a couple more days and we'll make it down to Missouri.
Well, we made it to Des Moines after another hectic departure. That's the one I was saying, that landmark.
Good way to go to the park.
It looks nice as hell.
I bet their water heater still works.
Yeah. GoPro, stop recording. All right, let's try this again. Take 2. We're in Adventureland in Des Moines, or no, not Des Moines, Altoona, right? Altoona. With the whole water tank fiasco, with Grand Design telling me at the last minute they couldn't get it to me when I needed. We made a decision to, instead of taking it and dropping it off at the RV repair facility, we just GoPro, stop recording. All right, we're gonna try this again. It's very windy out here, so who knows if the wind is disturbing what I'm saying, which it probably is. Well, we came to downtown Des Moines. Check out this Pappajohn Sculpture Park. I don't think it has anything to do with Pappajohn the pizza because it's not spelled the same. Katrina probably knows, she's from here.
I don't know.
Well, we came to downtown Des Moines and we happened to run into a Latino Festival.
Today we are in Knoxville. Look at that cutie. Got that one too. Stalin is taking the RV down to Bethany, Missouri, where we'll stay for a few weeks. Hopefully we'll get a travel contract lined up soon, but it is homecoming parade in the town where I graduated. So I've got 2 kids. One is very excited for some candy. So it's gonna be a fun day. Daddy's gonna be so excited. You have all this candy.
Are you going to share that candy with your daddy? Maybe two for daddy.